Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Holden Barina Spark, stock reference number 4983. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a B12 D1 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. B12 D1 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have one small dent. Right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with mode buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.